Ya es menos.
Muchas gracias. Believe it or not, this is Mexico. We're climbing its 6th highest peak, a dormant volcano called La Malinche. And we're over 3,000 meters high right now. I've got to tell you, I'm struggling for breath a little bit dizzy, so I'm taking it nice and slow to get to the top, which is over 4,000 meters. It's beautiful and fresh up here. After a couple of months of being out in the tropical heat, I haven't done any proper climbing. Oh, I've got to concentrate here. I haven't done any proper climbing for a good few months now. So this is going to be a real challenge. The temperature here is very mild. It's lovely, very humid. All of this, it isn't rain, it's sweat, absolutely caked in sweat. But it's going to rain soon as well, which is why I've got the old poncho on. It's been a long while since I made a hiking video, so I'm a little bit out of shape. ¿Qué onda?
Buenos días.
¿Ya subieron?
Ya.
Falta
las 5
mucho.
de la mañana.
¿Ah, sí?
Sí.
Ay, poco.
Ya.
¿Falta mucho?
Sí.
Sí. Ay, no.
10 minutos nada más.
Ah.
Sí te falta.
Ah,
Pero
bueno.
ánimo.
Venga, ánimo con todo.
Bueno, gracias.
Buen día,
Vale.
hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Well, you heard those guys. Quite a long way to go yet. We're just at the tree line, and there you can see the volcano right there with the clouds on top. You can see a few people walking up. At the moment I don't know if I'm going to make it. The altitude is really a struggle to deal with, struggle to breathe, and my heart feels like it's pumping out of my chest. Every couple of 100 meters or so I'm having to sit down and take a break, so we'll see how we get on. As those guys said just then, ánimo con todo. Well, it almost looks like Scotland, guys. These rocky outcrops, the pine trees. All this looks very volcanic though, this sort of ash terrain. The trees almost come to an end here. We're heading up into the clouds up there. Let's see if I can make it. Well, I was expecting it to be steep, but this is almost vertical. Oh, let's carry on then. No te rindas. Don't give up. Well, guys, for the first time ever, I'm quitting. I'm not going to make it up to the top of the mountain. The mountain has defeated me, and for 3 reasons. One, I'm absolutely knackered. Every few meters, sort of 10 meters that I ascend, I'm out of breath. I'm having to stop and catch my breath again. I don't know whether that's due to the altitude or due to my fitness, probably a combination of both. The second reason is because I'm starting to run out of time. I'm getting picked up at a certain time that I need to get back for. And the third reason is it's complete whiteout up here. You can't see a blooming thing. And it's probably going to rain as well, so there we go, guys. I mean, I can't even see sort of 5 meters up the path here, so it's probably not worth it anyway. So that's going to be it, guys. I'm going to descend now. Well, it's a hell of a lot easier on the way down. Would you believe it? Just as I started coming down, well, there's an echo here. Hello! The sun comes out. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. That's the end of the video, my first ever mountain failure. And I'm hoping to do a few mountains later on in Costa Rica. I'm hoping to do Machu Picchu and go to Patagonia. So I need to get myself back in shape pronto. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.
Gran Mateus, desde Inglaterra.